Really stunning drone footage shows a Ukrainian GMLRS hit on the Russian BM-21 GRAD in the area of Vuhledar. The rocket is clearly visible, and interestingly the GRAD was still able to fire a salvo of 2 rockets after being pumped full of shrapnel. However, it's most likely that these were the last 2 rockets this GRAD ever fired. The strike was conducted with a M30A1 rocket with Alternative Warhead. These rockets have a range of 15 to 92 kilometers or 9.3 to 57.2 miles. They are very effective against infantry and light armored targets. This is because inside these rockets there are over 180,000 pre-formed tungsten fragments for maximum area effects. Observers often may think that the rockets missed because of the lack of structural damage, but the small fragments actually pierce through any light-skinned vehicles and personnel with ease. Here's an example from a weapons test, and this is how this GRAD actually looks like now. The red dots show where the vehicle would have been pierced on the right picture. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a like, a comment and a share. Also make sure to subscribe, hit the bell and enable notifications. This helps this channel a lot because YouTube's bringing my impressions downhill, and this actually means I'm basically only working for you and don't get much new viewers, but I'm still thankful and thank you all.